Drone technology engineering is a great, innovative program for students to learn the technology and racing drone side of the whole world of drones. Drones are infiltrating all sorts of industries, all parts of society, and it's becoming a very fascinating topic. Now, a drone is really a flying robot, but these days they're becoming so technology driven. The small little drones or the big photography drones have so much technology behind them. We want to introduce that world to students and then bring in the engagement factor of learning racing drones, building their racing drone, learning to fly it, having different objectives, rebuilding it in a different way. And the students really get to explore that test engineering, that cycle of figuring out what the best drone is for that objective. It's a really fun way for students to learn and challenging to fly racing drones. With the FPV goggles on, flying those mini racing drones is really fun. So it's a safe way to bring drones into the classroom, and it's a really engaging tool. At Milestone C, we maximize student engagement, bring real-world career skills to students, and help teachers and schools keep pace with new age technology. Milestone C provides the curriculum, professional development, continuous coaching and support, and equipment and software as the full package for the classroom. Find out more and contact us at milestonec.com.